Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day. Want to take a look at Cloudflare. This is ticker NET. Now, Cloudflare is just kind of bubbling underneath a pretty clear resistance zone right around that $75.80, $76 level. You can see just on this time frame that I have brought up for a couple of months, it hasn't been able to get above. Can't get above, can't get above, can't get above. Now, I like to zoom out and see long-term price action as well. And if I do that, we can see that this price zone is actually pretty important. So it may take a nice surge in volume to really break this stock out of what has been a pretty clear level. If I zoom out all the way to early 2022, you can see the stock bounced here, tried to bounce again, and then finally broke down. So it was at one point support and now is a major resistance zone. Couldn't get above, couldn't hold above, couldn't get above, et cetera, et cetera. So I think we're going to have to look for a major volume surge to really soak up any long-lasting supply that's sitting right around that $76 range. Now, when I'm setting an alert on my software, I don't like to typically set it right on the pivot point. I like to set it typically 15, 20 cents underneath just to give me a head start, depending on what I'm doing. So then I can zoom in, check out different time frames, and then see if the idea is actionable. So I'm going to set an alert on my software right around that 75.80 level and look for a strong volume surge that can push this stock out of this long-term resistance zone. So that's what I'm looking at here on Cloudflare. Wanted to share it with you, and hopefully you find it helpful. If you want to see what else we're looking at, definitely check out StockMarketMentor.com. Dan Fitzpatrick added a handful of stocks to our active trade list today, and you can get them. Take a 14-day trial now, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.